Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix bad streaming quality on Discord. So the first thing what you need to do here, open up Discord, press on this little cog icon here, then scroll down until you see, as you can see here, voice and video. And here you need to scroll down until you see, as you can see, open H.264 video codec and disable its option. And then you need to go to advanced and also disable hardware acceleration here, right? And once you do that, then Discord will basically restart. And after that, what you need to do here is to go to your server, your voice channel, and then you need to, as you can see here, share your screen. And then, for example, I will share this one. And you need to then, of course, if you have Nitro, you will get more things that you can change. But if you don't, then make sure to select your stream quality to better text readability, right? And after that, you need to look if you're getting better stream quality or not. And if you're not getting good stream quality, and the next thing that you can do here is to test your internet connection. And then you need to look if you're having stable and good internet speed. And if you're having good internet speed and good connection, you're good to go. But if you don't, maybe limit some devices or restart your router. But if there is possibility, always use your Ethernet cable for that if you want to stream, because you will have better quality just by using Ethernet. And basically the next thing that you can do here, you can open up Task Manager. And on Task Manager, simply you need to end resource intensive apps. So for example, like browsers, like for me OBS Studio, or other maybe things that basically requires a lot of resources. So always end browsers if you don't use them, and other apps, for example, your keyboard and mouse ones like Razer, Logitech, and others, Steam as well if you don't use it, or Epic Games. So, and it should increase your streaming quality. And the last thing that you can do here is to you can go to settings, and then you need to go to network Windows Update and check for updates. So maybe your system need to have an update that you need to download and install it. So if there is an update, please download and install it, and then restart the computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. But if you apply these changes, you should fix your problem. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.